Hey, come on.
Show Grandpa your moves, Jakey.
Put him on there again and let's see him move her across the floor.
Jakey, over here. Over here, Jakey.
Go, Jake.
This way. Not doing any stuff. Go right to Grandpa.
All right, let's see. Say hi. Hi there. Okay, turn around.
So
Go that way.
Ready? Let's go this way.
See what you got. Ready? Go. There he goes.
Come on.
Go ahead up, Jake.
He's saying, take two. Take two. Here he goes. Oh, he's flying again. Stand up. There he goes. There he goes.
All right, turn him this way and then I'll... One last time.
Okay.
What's the date today? March what?
9th, I think.
March 9th, 2012. Here comes Jake. Yeah, there he goes.